Have you ever been bullied by someone? How about bullying others? Good morning, teachers.
How are you today?
I'm a little bit nervous.
Don't worry.
Yes.
You will. Okay.
Yes, teachers.
Please can you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone. My name is Seang Sreymouch. I'm a student from part-time class from the WS 11B study with teacher Angodam and Rodam campus.
What are you talking about this morning?
My topic is about the effective way to prevent bullying.
Okay, it's time for you to start. Good luck.
The suicide note of a young 13 years old Japanese math student who died by hanging himself described his despair because of bullying he had experienced at school. In his note, a few boys were accused of being involved in this bullying. Thầy Jamie, group leader, had created a living hell for that boy in a number of ways. The suicide victim described where his school peers mocked him by placing his table in front of the class with his photos and burning incense as well as flowers. Not only that, but also the condolence card, which had been signed by most of his classmates and a few of his class teachers as if he had already died. Ladies and gentlemen, over 3.2 million of students has become victims of bullying each year. The most common factors are the appearance, racial, physical, and family status. Most of the actions are taken place in school compound. There are a lot of students, mostly the weak ones, suffered by their classmates or schoolmates who appear to be bigger and stronger. The impact of bullying dramatically impact a lot of victims. Victims refuse to go to school to where they don't belong. As I am the one who experienced when I was at my old school, I was bullied by some of my classmates. Because I was the smallest student in the class, and there was one girl who let everyone to talk to me. I have friends, but they didn't dare to talk to me. Sometimes I was threatened and got smashed by the object they threw at me, and sometimes I was insulted by bad words. I really scared to tell my parents. And today, I want to share a way to prevent bullying. Before I begin, I would like to give my high respect to the Dr. Nhat, the Deputy School Director of the CAMFIRST School, judges, management team, staff, contestants, teachers, and all the guardians here, especially my mom. My name is Seang Sreymouch. I'm a student from part-time class from the WS 11B, studying with teacher Angodam and the Rodam campus. Today, I'm very excited to be on the stage to present you some solutions to prevent bullying. Well, let me start. First, we must know what is bullying. According to Cambridge Dictionary, bullying is a bad action with bad attitude that hurt or frightens someone else over the period of time or forcing them to do something that they do not want to do. Bullying is a bad action. It's a bad attitude that not allowed in school. Nowadays, bullying is a hot topic. 50 to 60% of students aged 12 to 18 experience bullying. And the lack of power between bully and the victim and the violence that stems from it can take various forms. Have you ever been bullied by someone? How about bullying others? Thank you for your response. According to my research for a long time, I would like to introduce 3 main solutions to prevent bullying. First, teaching students about social-emotional learning. Social-emotional learning is the course that helps students of all ages to better understand their emotions and those emotions fully. Letting the student develop emotional intelligence. Students learn to solve problems effectively and positively. So, the cause of the violence will be reduced or removed. In the learning, students learn about 5 things. Self-awareness, where they recognize their emotions and how they impact their behaviors. They acknowledge their strength and weakness to better gain confidence in their ability. Self-management, they learn to take control of their ownership, their thoughts, their emotions in action in various situations. Social awareness, the ability to put themselves in the shoe of another person who may be from different background or cultures from the one they grew up with. Relationship skill, the ability to build and maintain healthy relationships with other people from diverse range of background. It focuses on listening to be able to communicate with each other peacefully and resolve the conflict they are facing. Making responsible decisions. Students choose to act or respond based on learned behaviors such as ethics and safety. Ladies and gentlemen, Ladies and gentlemen, the second solution is paying attention to signs of bullying. Mostly out of fear of sense of shame, this is why the teacher, the school staff, as well as the parents need to pay double attention to the child's behaviors. There are a few things to be noted if the student might get bullied. They have unexplained injury. They lost their interest in schoolwork and their grade decline. They try to avoid school or participating in activities they used to love. They avoid socializing and seem to lose their friends. They show self-destructive like self-harm, running away, or mentioning suicide. Ladies and gentlemen, 160,000 kids refuse to go to school each day for fear of being bullied. In this case, the child needs to receive the necessary support. However, we must spot the student who might be a bully too. They always blame others for their problem. They get into physical and verbal fight a lot. They have money or new belongings without explanation. The third solution is take action on those who cheated in school. 90% of students in grade 4 to 8 have been reported being harassed or bullied. If no action is taken against it for those who did wrong in school, it can encourage others to set a bad example. If it is the first time, just warn them not to do it again. If they still do it, teachers should contact their parents to school and provide constructive advice their child destructive behaviors. If the bully still persists, severe action needs to be taken for them by either or even seriously. In short, to prevent bullying, the school should make students feel positive and take care of their emotional well-being. Parents should keep track with their children and problems they encounter at school. Before the end of my speech, I would like to leave a message. Be you, be yourself, be confident. Confidence is the most beautiful thing you can possess. All you need in this life is confidence and then success issues. Believe in yourself. Confidence comes not from always being right, but from not failing to be wrong. Love yourself, do whatever you want, wear whatever you love, do not care how others talk bad behind you. Be you, be yourself, be confident. That's all of my speech. Thanks for your pay attention.
Thank you very much. Have you ever been bullied before?
Okay.
Have you ever been bullied before?
Yes.
So what did you do in that situation?
Because at that situation I was so small and I just like cry and tell my mom like they threw something at me and used a bad word to me. Yes.
Okay, thank you.